This is the flag of Ethiopia. We are now touring Ethiopia. This is the political map of Ethiopia. You can see it is bordered by Eritrea. Nearby is the Red Sea. Djibouti, Sudan, South Sudan. The capital city is Addis Ababa. In my last video, you had seen I had covered the Marketo area and the St. George's Church of Addis Ababa. This video will cover our tour to Mount Entoto and the famous Ethiopian National Museum. These are the two topmost tourist spots of Ethiopia. Now we are going up the hill road up to the top of Mount Entoto. We stopped to see a church. This is a church in Entoto. Mount Entoto is a historical place where Emperor Menelik II resided and built his palace. It is considered a sacred mountain and has many monasteries. Mount Entoto is also the location of a number of celebrated churches, including Saint Raguel and Saint Mary. After seeing the church, we are leaving for the Entoto Park. The mountain is densely covered by eucalyptus trees that were imported from Australia during the reign of Menelik II. Sometimes it is called the lung of Addis Ababa. This is the entry gate of the park. This is the view of the Addis Ababa city from Entoto mountain. You are having a good view of the Addis Ababa city from Entoto mountain. Sky is like this. You can see the donkeys. With the women. And this is Saint Selassie Church. We are now passing by the famous cloth market of Addis Ababa. This is Addis Ababa University. This is Yaraketi Monument. This Yakati 12 is a monument commemorating victims of Italian reprisals following an attempt to kill Marshal Graziani. This is the local bus. Now we will see the National Museum of Ethiopia. You can see the children. The National Museum of Ethiopia houses the Ethiopia's artistic treasures. It contains many precious local archaeological finds such as the fossilized remains of early hominids, the most famous of which is Lucy. Ethiopia, land of origins. The museum has different exhibits in different floors. This is a beautiful statue. All the precious stones. The National Museum of Ethiopia has 4 main exhibition sections. The basement is dedicated to archaeological and paleontological sections. The first floor contains ancient and medieval periods. And the second floor contains a collection of secular arts and crafts, including traditional weapons, jewelry, utensils, clothing, and musical instruments. Finally, a third floor has an ethnographic display. Here, the museum tries to give an overview of the cultural richness and variety of the peoples of Ethiopia.
This is the most important exhibit, Lucy's fossils.
This Lucy's fossil is the world's most famous early human ancestor.
You see, it's also called Dinkanesh.
3.2 million years old. Ape Lucy was the first Australopithecus afarensis skeleton ever found, though her remains are only about 40% complete. This was discovered in 1974 by Johansson in Hadar in Ethiopia.
See the definition of a fossil. Ethiopia in the fossil landscape of Africa. These are the fossils of Lucy. It is very important finding. These are all the small bones found. See, the black ones are the original bone and the white ones were put on later and shows that humans used to walk straight. So they have shown the pelvis, both the humerus, part of the clavicle, part of the skull, and the left femur. See, this is a fossil, very important exhibit. Also you see part of the skull and the rest is made by the other ones they have. You see the complete transformation from Lucy to the modern human structure. Ethiopicus, then Kari, then comes habilis, boisei, then
this is Australia,
erectus, this is boisei, and then erectus. Now this is the advent of modern humanity.
you can see that as well.
Idaltu, the modern Homo sapien, Bodo, and then Idaltu.
We completed seeing the museum. This is the local bus stand. We are crossing by a huge park. you can see the Science Museum on my right side. Now we'll have a lunch here. The name is Sangam Restaurant. You can see our car. The car is 30 years old. It's unbelievable. We are traveling in this car in the city of Addis Ababa. We are now returning to the hotel by the small lanes.
It's 8:15 now. We are now leaving Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, for our airport, Addis Ababa airport. So this is our car taking us to the airport. So we are leaving for Mumbai flight.
After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.